The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall. شوف زعير شو راح ياخذ رقيه شوف النغف شوف شوف نقر مرة خرب دينك والله شوف السيارة ما يدري زعير الدبل الكبيرة زعير اخذ قاعمة يابا والله لا قاري قل له مشكوري قل له يا اخي القهوه يلا ما اخذنا بعد هذا قل له مزيان يا زعيم يلا قهوه يلا.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, is it? Now, I just presented a video to you that shows of a person that was driving a truck that took something from another truck while both these vehicles were driving. And even though I can't understand the language that was being spoken or that was in the video, you see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because I speak English, you see me? So I don't understand the language that I heard in the video, but however, I understood, or you can say understand what had happened in this video, you see me? And what had happened in this video, I find it to be dangerous, you see me? The fact that someone is driving a truck and lean over from the steering wheel to take something from the back of another truck, you see me, or a vehicle then, you see me, I find it to be dangerous. I wouldn't encourage anyone to do something like that, you see me? But anyways, this video is out on social media where some persons find it funny while other persons might find it dangerous and others have other things to say about this video. You see me? So I'm gonna bring it to you so that you, my viewers and subscribers, can have a look at this video and you can also tell me what you think about what had happened in this video. Alright, I find what had happened in this video to be dangerous and I don't think anyone should be doing anything like that. You understand me? At no point should anyone be doing anything like that. You see me? But me bring this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think about this video. You see me? Let me know what you think. Alright, well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, I have two more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? And I'm going to explain while I move along to make things move a little faster. Alright, now the first video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person who, after shooting someone, went on social media and talked about it. In my point of view, according to what I've seen and heard in this video, it would seem as if this person was bragging about it. You see me? But however, this video is out on social media where some persons find what had happened to be funny, some persons find what had happened to be disturbing, and other things had been said about this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Now, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to also keep you up to date and posted and make you know what Guan, you see it? And also please bear in mind that I do not have any information as to where this had happened or when this had happened, but this video is out on social media and comments have been made about this video. Now the following video contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now take a look, listen and observe.
Okay. Yeah.
Damn, I wish I didn't hit him. You hit him?
Yeah, I hit that nigga 4 times. Oh God.
Really?
Oh God, I hit that nigga. Fuck, I ain't got time to be talking, bro.
Put my gun, okay?
Yeah.
your name, right?
Yeah, this gun straight.
You might have to let her hold it too. Huh?
Yeah, this
I'm gonna
straight.
put this a hot dude. Right there, okay?
Yeah. I don't know I'ma shoot this bitch. On God, I hit his ass about 4 times. The fuck you running for, nigga? I'm already pissed off, bro. God, make the news, make the goddamn hood make the news tonight. Nigga wanna play. Put his ass in the hospital that quick. God, I do not fucking play. That nigga be going to the hospital tonight.
For real?
Oh God, these bitches gonna put him in the hospital. These full metal jackets. That bitch when I ran, I would've put another goddamn mother clip at, man. Reload my other clip at. Oh God, he got the police and shit now. Oh God, oh my mama. Yeah, reload the clip. Mama, take us the parkway all the way down. Take me back to my side. I don't fucking play, nigga. My mama. Pull up and air shit out broad day. My mama. Put the hood on the news. Fuck. Make this shit a game and it's not, bro. Damn, here they come this way. Turn that Lakewood. Turn that Lakewood. Oh my fucking God. Oh my fucking God, oh my. Man, that bitch turn around, I'm out on foot. That bitch ain't turning around, nigga.
Yep. Get out my face.
I'm my mama.
Get out! Get out!
Go.
Hey,
You're on the fucking ground.
I ain't did shit. What I do? Don't shoot me, I ain't got shit. You can search me.
Get on the ground.
What I do? Can you tell me what I
Get on the
did?
fucking ground.
Can you tell me what I did?
I'm putting you in cuffs. We're gonna figure this out.
Okay. I ain't under arrest though, am I?
Put the other hand. I've got a black one cuff here.
I ain't got nothing on me.
House 314, tip for you. I'm gonna stitch you up, okay?
Okay. Oh.
You just stay right there. I'm gonna put your phone on the hood.
Okay.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the video that is out on social media, where it is said that this video shows of a person whom, after shooting someone, went on social media and talked about it. Alright, here I have another video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video, according to what has been said about this video on social media, is that this video shows of a person who was trying to avoid the police, but however, the person had been stopped by the police. You get me? Now, I do not know where this had happened or when this had happened, but however, this video is out on social media where some persons find what had happened in this video to be a bit disturbing, while others have other things to say about this video as well. You see me? I mean, at some point, some persons on social media even find what had happened in this video to be funny. However, viewers and subscribers, I'm presenting this video to you so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think. All right, now here is the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Same officers. They're back. What's up, man?
What's going on?
You've been following me since the highway, man. I just came to get some shoes. I told them, they said they probably know y'all. So I said, when you follow me from here, I said, let me come back to the store. Because y'all keep following me. What? You've been following me since the highway. What did I do?
So here's the thing. So you know what suspicious, the definition of suspicious is?
Yeah, I know it's just suspicious.
So when I got on the highway, so you're good. Put your hands down.
Man,
Shit. Right?
Man, no.
Listen, you want to know. So I'm going to tell you.
Yes.
All right? So when I got on, you stayed behind me. You would not pass me, even no matter.
Oh, you're a police officer.
People pass me all the time. You saw
Man,
all the other
please.
guys pass me.
No. There was a car that smashed on brakes right next to you.
All right.
And I saw you look at him.
So-
And you didn't follow him?
No, well, so then I slowed down more, and you refused to pass me. So then I moved over, and then I got behind you trying to get your tag, and you jumped all the way over.
Because I'm coming here. Go ahead.
All right. And then you got off at Boggs. You went through the light, made the first left, and doubled back, and then took the left turn instead of just turning at the
Because
left.
I live in Jonesboro. I don't know how to get the soul play. I want a raffle here. You can ask them. I want a raffle. I don't know how to get here. I missed my turn because you're following me. So I'm nervous as hell. I want your neighbor to hear it too. I'm nervous as hell because he's following me.
Okay.
So I missed my turn right off the exit because the turn was right off the exit, right? All right now. Okay now.
Mile off the exit.
Okay now. No, that was not a mile. That wasn't even a quarter of a mile off the exit.
Right.
So I missed that turn, turned around, and you still follow me. But why?
So you have to understand that we look at clues with traffic, okay? When people don't want us behind them, that usually means that there's something else going on.
No, officer. See, that's the thing. How long have you been officer?
A few years.
A few years. Okay. So as a driver, we do not want to pass any police officer. That is regular. Y'all gotta know that. Y'all know that. Y'all know that. We're not passing y'all. It is what it is. We will ride behind y'all till the wheels fall off. We're not passing y'all. Because for one, y'all are already breaking the speed limit. Guaranteed fact. Y'all are already breaking the speed limit. So
I was getting on the on-ramp.
if we pass y'all, that means we're definitely breaking the speed limit.
Well, I was only doing about 50 miles an hour because I was on the on-ramp still. And I saw you hit your brakes and slow down from way back because I saw the tag on the front and I was trying to read all the tags.
Oh yeah. Oh damn. This is a rental. This is a rental car. My brother just totaled my Honda, so this is a rental car from State Farm. Full coverage. But why three? What? Come on, 3 cars. Come on, man. 3 cars.
Well, so here's what happened with that, okay? I'll explain that to you. When I think something's suspicious, I let somebody else know. That way, in case something does happen.
Okay, but how about this?
Hang on, wait.
Okay, go ahead.
You understand not everybody likes the police, right?
Yes.
So when I do stop you, I would like to have one other person.
But let me ask you this. Okay, go ahead.
Our areas are small, okay?
Okay.
So when there's somebody else close by, they're going to come too.
Okay.
All
But let me ask you this.
Yeah.
After you follow me and see me going to the shoe store, why did you still follow me? So you're telling me somebody suspicious is going to come to a shoe store, buy shoes, leave, go to the gas station, get gas, then start to head back home? Come on, man.
You didn't head back home. You came back here.
Because y'all started following me again, and this is the only place I feel safe.
You got your license anywhere?
Yes. I don't know why I have to show it to you, but man, I'm about to show it to you. There you go, man.
And you're from Jonesboro.
Yes,
Came
Jonesboro.
all the way over just for the raffle?
Man, look, shoes in the trunk. I'll pop the trunk, you can see.
Alright, I'll be right back.
All right. Why are you running my lights? Oh, Lord, Jesus. Lord. This is hilarious. This is crazy. You can't buy shoes in Lawrenceville. This is crazy. insane in the membrane. Interessante.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. You see me? And you can let me know what you think about these videos that are out on social media. You know, yes, they're out on social media. Comments have been made about these videos. That's what I'm saying to you. I'm going to bring these videos to you so that you can have a look at them and tell me what you think. Alright? Yeah, so yes, so is what me left with viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. Yes, it.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.